Hello, little bird. Do you like your biscuit? You have a lot of stack in here. See, look at this. See? Yum, yum, yum. Are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying it? Ang tawag po dito ay cockatoos sa Australia. Madalas po silang pumunta dito sa balcony and mag-knock dito sa window. Ayan, lagi silang nagnanak sa window. Humingi ng attention and feed them. Every day, lagi pong ganyan. And they love eating biscuit. They're very peaceful. Actually, marami